how to disable backup over cellular on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable it easy and quick on Truecaller. First go to Truecaller and click on your profile here. Now click the settings icon, then scroll down until you find backup, and here you will find backup over. Click on it and click Wi-Fi, and that's it. Select Wi-Fi only and then go back, and that's it. And you can change it again if you want. Just click on it, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.